Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this session, we'll dive deeper into the world of Python programming, especially if you're going to master one of the fundamental concepts of Python, that is keywords. Okay, so Python keywords are nothing but reserved words that have special meaning in the Python language. And they cannot be used as identifiers like variable names and function names. Understanding these keywords is crucial for writing efficient and error-free code. Now let's delve deeper into Python's built-in keyword module. This module provides us with access to a list of all reserved keywords in Python. First, we import the keyword module using the import keyword itself. This allows us to access the functionality provided by the keyword module. Next, we utilize print function to display the list of keywords containing in keyword module. Try to run this. As you can see in the output, presents us with a comprehensive list of all the Python keywords. Understanding these keywords is crucial for writing effective and error-free code. Now let's see what happens if we try to use these keywords as variable name in Python. Let's try with if. Let's take if and assign it value 10, and let's try to print this out. The value of if is if. Now let's try to print this out. Oh, see, in this example we are defining a variable name if, that is a keyword that is actually a reserved keyword in Python. However, if we are trying to run this code, we are encountered an error because if is a keyword and cannot be used as a variable name. To avoid such errors, it is crucial to choose variable names that are not reserved keywords in Python. Let's use another example. Here we are going to be using reserved keywords as variable name. Let's define it as my var and assign it value 10. Let's try to print this out. The value of my underscore var is my var. Let's try to run this, and voila, here it ran. And above, when we are trying to use if, the reserved keyword in Python, it was giving us syntax error. Now it ran perfectly. So remember, while Python is flexible with variable names, it is essential to avoid using reserved words to avoid conflicts and errors in your code. That is it for today's session. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. For more Python contents, please subscribe to this channel. Happy coding. Thank you all.